Hello from Accolend, your friendly no-points direct lender. This video gives you a general overview of the loan underwriting process so that you'll be more familiar with the work of our underwriting team. There are three areas that our underwriting team focuses on: personal, property, and LLC due diligence. For personal due diligence, the underwriting team will review your driver's license and social security card to verify your identity. If you do not have your social security card available, you may submit your 1040 income tax form and a copy of your U.S. passport. Additionally, the underwriting team will run a credit and background check to ensure you qualify for the loan, and review your last 2 months' bank statements to ensure that you have sufficient assets available to complete the project as well as interest reserves to pay your loan. Bank statements should be in your personal name or in your LLC name. If you have assets in another account, you will need to provide proof that you own this account. For experience, you will be asked to provide information about deals you have completed as an investor. If you have built homes or managed properties for other investors, this will not qualify as we weigh your experience from an investor standpoint, and we are able to offer you our most advantageous programs when you have 3 qualifying deals within the past 3 years. However, if you do not have experience, rest assured that we still have competitive programs you can qualify for. During underwriting, we will also ask you to provide a list of investment properties, or REO, that you currently own, which can also be used in direct connection with qualifying your experience. For property due diligence, we will ask you to provide the purchase agreement and any applicable addendums or assignments for a purchase transaction. For refinancing deals, you will be asked to provide the original deed and closing statement from when you originally bought the property. If you are applying for a construction loan, we will ask you to complete our scope of work form that helps you outline your construction budget. We will then need to order a project feasibility review and inspection, which will provide both of us with expert insight into your project, which can help point out areas that may have been missed or even forecast future cost increases we should account for. If you are applying for a rental or DSCR loan, we will need to collect lease agreements for the units of the property. We will also need to order an appraisal from the list of appraisal management companies or from our network of individual appraisers, which will allow us to obtain accurate as-is, ARV, and/or market rent values to ensure that we are providing you with our most competitive offer. We will work with a title company of your choosing to obtain a clean title policy with no exceptions. Lastly, you will be required to provide evidence of insurance to the underwriting team. Insurance type and coverage amount will be determined by our team and will depend on factors such as property type, project type, location, and loan amount. We typically require a new LLC to be created for Accolend deals. You will be asked to provide the formation document, EIN, and operating agreement for the entity. If you have an existing entity that you would like to use, you may request an exception from the underwriting team, who will provide you with a short questionnaire to complete, which will allow us to potentially qualify your entity. As soon as our underwriting team clears all due diligence items, we will coordinate with the title company, borrower's legal counsel, and/or the closing agent and schedule the closing of our loan. We will then prepare loan documents and proceed to the closing date. All parties will get a closing confirmation from us, and will conclude by throwing a huge party. Just kidding, but we will congratulate you and wish you the best of luck with the property. We hope this general overview of our underwriting process proved helpful for you. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 201-643-6650, extension 1, or visit our website at accolend.com. We are happy to help.